Kanchan and welcome back to my channel. We are back with episode 2 of our wedding outfit series. Since it's the peak of winter, today we are focusing on winter wedding outfits. We've all had those moments when we are attending a winter wedding and would rather shiver through the evening and pretend we are fine because who wants to hide their glamorous outfits under sweaters and baggy layers? But why choose between staying warm and looking fabulous when you can have both? In this video, I'm sharing practical yet stunning outfit ideas along with tips and tricks to help you stay cozy without compromising on style. Let's go. Before we dive into the actual outfits, let's discuss some important tips for choosing the right outfit and other essentials to keep in mind when preparing for winter weddings. Thermal tops and bottoms are a total game changer for staying warm without the bulk. Their body hugging fit keeps you cozy while giving you a sleek silhouette under your outfit. Another benefit of thermals or any winter inners is that ethnic wear often features intricate details like stones, embroidery, or zari work, which can be rough or irritating to the skin. Wearing inners helps protect your skin from discomfort, allowing you enjoy your outfit without any irritation. There are multiple options. Thermal top comes in crop, regular or long length with different sleeve styles, necklines and designs. The bottom also comes in various length and fits, so you can pick what works best for your outfit. Please remember if you're adding winter inners such as thermals to your outfit, it's important to make sure they stay hidden. If thermals peek out, it can ruin the look of your outfit, and you'll have to worry all night about constantly checking if they are showing. Choose outfit with designs that keep the thermals well covered, such as full length sleeves, high or boat neckline, and maxi lengths. These styles not only ensure that your thermal stays hidden, but also offers extra coverage against the cold. Fuzzy tights are excellent alternatives to thermal bottoms if you are after a sleek, skinny fit. With a soft, cozy fabric on the inside, they are perfect for staying warm, while their smooth outer texture makes them look just like regular leggings. You can easily incorporate them into your wedding outfits as a standalone bottoms if you pair them with a heavy work knee or long length kurta or anarkali. Socks are a great way to keep your feet warm, but they don't go well with the traditional footwear that we usually opt for weddings. However, they work perfectly with embellished shoes. Embellished shoes are super trendy right now and offer both warmth and style. You can find plenty of options in the market, or if you're feeling creative, you can DIY them. Just grab a pair of plain shoes and add stones, pearls, or any embellishments from your local store to create a chic and unique look. Let's dive into some winter friendly fabrics that will keep you stylish and comfortable. Fabrics such as velvet, wool or pashmina, brocade, silk or silk blends are perfect choices as you can find very beautiful wedding specific garments in these fabrics very easily. You can also consider corduroy. While not a typical wedding fabric, it's great for bottoms or ethnic jackets. Its texture pattern adds a modern vibe, while the warmth makes it ideal for chilled wedding evenings. I know you must be thinking, not everyone would want to buy a completely new outfit for a distant relative or friend's wedding. We mostly reuse our existing ethnics for such events. So, before we dive into outfit ideas, let's talk about layering options that will make your existing garment winter ready. Let's talk about shawls or thick dupattas. If you're wearing a suit or lehenga that comes with the sheer or thin dupatta, consider replacing it with a thicker dupatta or a cozy shawl for extra warmth. These alternatives not only adds warmth but also makes a bold statement with your outfit. You can even pair them with sarees, There are already plenty of tutorials on YouTube and Instagram showing creative ways to style thick dupattas or shawls with sarees. So I won't go into details, but I will share the links of the videos that I found most useful and practical in the description. Shrugs are ideal for adding a modern yet practical touch. Shrug works wonderfully with gowns, anarkalis, or skirt and top combination. They add layers of warmth and a chic flair to your outfit. Ethnic jackets are a statement piece that can be styled in various ways. Cape is a new and stylish addition in Indian ethnic wear that works best with gowns and saris. It adds a more modern touch to your outfit and provides an extra layer of comfort for winter weddings. Now let's explore some unconventional and modern layering options also. You can definitely layer with denim jackets, leather jackets, blazers, or vests if they feature a hint of ethnic charm through embroidery, stonework, or any detailing. These unique choices not only keep you warm but also add a modern twist to your outfit. They are versatile enough to pair with lehengas, gowns, or anarkali. Now let's dive into the specific outfits. And let's start with styling a sari. First up is a stunning velvet sari paired with a full sleeves, long length velvet blouse. We are playing with shades of blue for this outfit, with the blouse being slightly darker than the sari. The contrast adds depth and visual interest while keeping the look cohesive and sophisticated. This outfit is perfect for any important evening or night function during the wedding. And for a chic and modern twist, we have styled this simple yet rich and vibrant red sari with a cropped, full sleeves, black sweater top. This style keeps you warm while adding a touch of contemporary flair to your outfit. While this look might be a bit understated for the main wedding events, but it's a perfect outfit for any pre or post wedding modern events such as engagement, cocktail night, reception, or Bollywood night. In this look, we have paired a deep maroon, full sleeves, mandarin collar ethnic jacket with a cream color sari. Using the jacket as a blouse adds a unique and practical touch, perfect for any main wedding event during the winter season. Next, we have heavy skirt with jacket. In this look, we are reusing the jacket from previous look. The skirt we are using is part of a lehenga set that my choti bhabhi wore on her wedding day, as we wanted a heavy work skirt for this look. I chose this jacket because its length is perfect. It covers the stomach and back, keeping you warm without hiding the beauty of the skirt. Both the jacket and skirt have rich, heavy looks, so we kept the jewelry, makeup, and hairstyle minimal to maintain the balance. Apart from the jacket, you can also style the skirt with a short kurta, long kurta, or even a thick winter top. Each option brings a unique vibe while keeping you warm. A short kurta gives a more traditional look, while a long kurta offers a sleek, elegant silhouette, and a thick winter top can add extra coziness while still looking stylish for your winter wedding. For the next outfit, we are going with an ethnic suit. This velvet, high neck, full sleeve suit offers full coverage from top to bottom while maintaining a classy and elegant look. It provides great warmth for colder weather, and the design clearly allows thermal inners to be added without being noticeable. To balance the richness of the outfit, we have paired it with minimal golden jewelry. Here are few more similar options for ethnic suits. This green woolen kurta with short jacket is perfect for mehendi. The yellow corduroy suit with a long shrug works well for haldi, and the blue velvet kaftan is ideal for any main wedding event. All three fabrics are great option for a winter wedding. We are down to our final outfit for today's video. For this look, I have chosen a gown that checks all the boxes for a perfect winter wearing outfit. It features longer sleeves, a high neck, and a maxi length. It is made from a mix of corduroy and velvet, both thick fabrics known for their warmth. To add extra volume and layering for the cold, we have styled it with a skirt underneath. This look is perfect for any pre or post wedding evenings. Here are few more gown options to consider if you're planning to wear one to a winter wedding. You can explore different neckline and sleeve styles that provide coverage for your hands, neck, and back while keeping you warm and stylish. And that wraps up today's episode of Winter Wedding Outfits. As you can see, winter outfits don't have to be a battle between style and warmth. You can achieve both with the right fabrics, layers, and silhouettes. A huge thank you to all my amazing models for making this episode happen, my bhabi Ankita, my friend Pooja and Claim, and my sister Poonam. I hope these outfit ideas help you stay cozy while looking effortlessly elegant. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Bye for now.